DJI has released the Osmo Action 6 in China, featuring the world's first variable aperture lens and an action camera alongside a larger sensor and substantial performance upgrades. Its global launch on November 18th. The camera arrives as the successor to the Osmo Action 5 Pro, which debuted in September last year. The camera starts at 2,998 Chinese yuan in China. The camera has a 1.46-inch OLED screen on the front and a 2.5-inch OLED display on the back, both with up to 800 nits of brightness. The DJI Osmo Action 6 introduces an industry-first f/2.0 f/4.0 variable aperture system paired with a new 1/1.1-inch square CMOS sensor, marking a significant leap beyond the fixed f/2.8 aperture standard that has defined action cameras for years. The 1/1.1-inch sensor, larger than the Action 5 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor, features a square format designed to accommodate both horizontal and vertical video aspect ratios. Different aspect ratios including 4:3, 16:9, and 9:16 vertical formats during post-production. The Action 6 captures 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with full-spectrum high dynamic range video recording at 4K per 60 frames per second. A new Super Night mode extends ISO sensitivity up to 51,200 for extreme low-light shooting, while the camera supports multiple resolution and frame rate combinations including 2.7K and 1080p formats. The Osmo Action 6 uses a 1,950 mAh Li-ion battery. The camera records to both 50 GB of built-in storage and supports microSD cards up to 1 TB capacity. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.